Featuring a narrow bezel, the elegant GT25 Wide model presents a large amount of information in the wide display area. Available in a choice of smart and stylish silver and cool low-key black. The GT25 Wide model gives your system a different look. The GT25 Wide model makes the production site look more aesthetic. GT25 Wide model. The GT25 Wide model features a WXGA display with the highest resolution screen in the history of the GOT series. The GOT's front USB interface lets you transfer data without having to open the control cabinet cover. The rear panel features a variety of interfaces, including 2 Ethernet ports. The GT25 Wide model includes 2 Ethernet interfaces as a standard equipment. Port 1 is used for connecting to information system networks. Port 2 is used for control system networks, enabling physical division of the network to ensure reliable and secure network configuration. The GT25 Wide model is equipped with a sound output interface that is also standard. With a powered speaker connected to the sound output interface, the GOT becomes a sound notification system. Messages, melodies, and sound effects can be played to convey information to workers more reliably. Utilizing the GOT mobile function with tablets, with and-on displays, or with office computers, allows you to monitor the production site, even from remote locations. Various interfaces are equipped in a compact body. The GOT Wide model embodies the ideal features of HMI.